Hey y'all, this is Vic. Hey, thank y'all for stopping in. I appreciate y'all. Mr. JohnFix, making tools great again, and boy does he. He's got. If y'all hadn't seen his wall, y'all need to check his channel out for that. I mean, it's remarkable. Anyways, I can't do as good as he does, that's for sure. But man, he was kind enough to send me an 18-inch Western Auto Supply Company pipe wrench, cousin to the Wizard, number HR2442. The little jaw here hangs when it comes down, so I'm going to have to grind a little down here to get it to be disassemble it, and it's riveted in, and that's about as far as the breakdown I'll be able to get on this one. But ain't it pretty? The red in here, I'm gonna try my best. I'm gonna try to keep all that just original, and we'll see what we can do with this. See what happens with it. Also, he sent me this rigid, heavy-duty 18-inch pipe wrench made in Ohio, USA, and I think he did it just so I'd have to use that gaudy orange if I painted it back orange. But I'm just kidding with you, Mr. John. Man, that's just awful nice of you, sir. Thank you so much for your generosity, and man, I enjoy seeing you do your tools, and I probably would have liked seeing your touch on this, because I don't know that I'll justify it as good as you do your stuff, Mr. John. So anyways, hey y'all, hang loose, hang tight. We'll see what we can do, and thank y'all so much for stopping in. I don't know if y'all can see that. It's right in here. So I'm going to have to file that down. That may have been a lot of the major cause when I thought, but when I grinded the ends down here, it was able to come out. So with that nut there has a little damage to it. So I may try to file that, try to make it a little smoother. That right there is where it was catching that. The teeth were biting into that right there. So I just hit it with a little diamond bit that I was using to grind this edge off here, smooth it down a little bit. We'll straighten her out a little more, but that was the culprit right there, I think. Yeah. Pretty smooth now. All right, so we got that. Wire wheel, that's right. Wire brush. End up having to grind the tip off this thing because I don't know, I just did. And so I've gouged it a little bit there. I think I'm gonna take about that much off anyway to get rid of the dings and stuff. So I don't know what I'm gonna do here to get it back together. So I don't know if I'll put a bolt through there with a nut. I'll figure out something. So kind of disappointed that I had to do that, but I did, and hell, we'll just have to move on from here. Yeah. All right. Alright, so I think I got her. I was able to get some shine on her. I'd these here being Western Auto Supply being stamped in. I put red in there before and then went over it with this paint that Scout Crafter turned us on to, and it has some kind of texture down up in behind it there, and I really like that. I don't know if y'all can pick that up and see it, but I really like it. Reminds me of the pebbled plumb wrenches. Blued the teeth there. I was able to get it in there and sanded off the raised lettering up in there, and get fingerprints all over it. Of course, y'all saw I blued this, and we made the pin. I used a this was a wing nut, so I cut the wings off of it instead of prayer. We shortened this this bolt here and grinded this down. It holds it down together real good. So let me put it all together for you. So there's my Western Auto pipe wrench. Mr. John, I sure appreciate you. Thank you so much for sending it. I hope you like it, and I had a great time doing it. I really did, and just had a real good time with it. I really like the way it came out. And I hope y'all do too. Hey, I want to thank everybody. Appreciate all y'all. We're up over 800 now, and man, I'm just tickled to death. Thank y'all all so much, and I hope y'all have a good one. Thank you very much.